Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 10 amazing things that happen when you quit smoking. Smoking is one of the most harmful habits that can damage your health and shorten your lifespan. But the good news is that quitting smoking can bring you many benefits, both physically and mentally. Let's take a look at what they are. 1. Your blood pressure and heart rate drop. Within 20 minutes of quitting smoking, your blood pressure and heart rate return to normal levels. This reduces your risk of heart attack and stroke. 2. Your sense of smell and taste improve. Within 48 hours of quitting smoking, your nerve endings start to regenerate and your sense of smell and taste become more sensitive. You can enjoy the flavors and aromas of food and drinks more than before. 3. Your breathing and lung function improve. Within 72 hours of quitting smoking, your bronchial tubes relax and your lung capacity increases. You can breathe easier and have more energy. You also cough less and produce less mucus. 4. Your skin and teeth become brighter. Within a few weeks of quitting smoking, your blood circulation improves and your skin becomes more hydrated and elastic. Your complexion becomes smoother and more radiant. Your teeth also become whiter and less stained by tar and nicotine. 5. Your immune system becomes stronger. Within a few months of quitting smoking, your immune system recovers and your body becomes more resistant to infections and diseases. You get sick less often and heal faster from wounds and injuries. 6. Your mood and mental health improve. Within a few months of quitting smoking, your brain chemistry stabilizes and your levels of dopamine and serotonin increase. You feel happier, more relaxed, and more confident. You also have less stress, anxiety, and depression. 7. Your fertility and sexual health improve. Within a year of quitting smoking, your fertility and sexual health improve significantly. If you are a woman, you have a higher chance of getting pregnant and having a healthy baby. If you are a man, you have a higher sperm count and a better erection. 8. Your risk of cancer decreases. Within 5 years of quitting smoking, your risk of developing lung, mouth, throat, esophagus, bladder, kidney, and pancreatic cancer drops by 50%. Within 10 years, your risk of dying from lung cancer drops by 50% as well. 9. Your risk of other diseases decreases. Within 10 years of quitting smoking, your risk of developing heart disease, stroke, diabetes, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and other smoking-related diseases drops by 50% as well. 10. Your life expectancy increases. Within 15 years of quitting smoking, your life expectancy increases by 10 years on average. You can live longer and enjoy a better quality of life. These are the 10 amazing things that happen when you quit smoking. I hope this video motivates you to quit smoking or to stay smoke-free if you have already quit. Remember, it's never too late to quit smoking and reap the benefits. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.